Good morning, students. Welcome to 11th Science Physics Practical Lab. Last time we have performed the first experiment, vernier calipers. Instrument is same, but the experiment number 2. Today we have a regular block. Our aim is to measure the dimension of regular block and to find its volume and its density. So first we have a regular block. This side is length, breadth, and this is the height. So let me measure the length, breadth, and height of the known block. Okay, mass of the block is known, and we can find its density. The formula for that is volume V is equal to LBH and density D is equal to mass upon volume. So first, let me write some observations for this. So as we know from the first experiments, the least count of vernier calipers is 0.01 centimeter, and since the error of the vernier calipers E is equal to 0, so I will write 0.0 centimeter. So it need not to correction. So correction is also 0.0 centimeter. Now the mass of the given block is 66 gram. So I note this 66.0 gram of the block. Now let me measure the length, breadth, and height of the block. This is main scale reading, and these are the vernier scales. First, you will place the rectangle bar between two jaws of the vernier calipers of the length side. So here, first they note down the main scale reading. Main scale reading means location of vernier scale 0. The vernier 0 is exactly lying between 4.1 Here, let me note down the main scale reading. The vernier scale 0 is exactly lying between 4.1 and 4.2. So main scale is equal to 4.1. Let me find the matching division number. Here we can see the first division is exactly matching with the any division of the main scale. So let me note down the reading. So for second time again repeat this process. Lose it, again retight it, again observe the reading, again same, the main scale is 4.1 and matching is 1. Third time is again lose it, again retight it, and again note down the reading. The main scale is remains same, it is 4.1 and the main matching division is 1, first division. Let me note down this reading. Now the main scale was 4.1 centimeter and matching division was first division. So I will write here matching division is equal to 1. And its value, that is N into LC. LC is equal to 0.01. So its value is 0.01. Now the total value is 4.1 and 0.01. It is 4.11. As the second time and third time the reading was same. So I will write here 4.1. Matching division is 1, its value is 0.01, total value is 4.11. Third time it was again same, so 4.1, first is matching 0.01, 4.11, the average value is 4.11 centimeter is the length of the cuboid. Now let me measure the breadth of this cuboid. Now you have placed the cuboid between two jaws, that is breadth side of the cuboid between two jaws of the vernier calipers. Let me observe the main scale reading. Here the main scale is means location of the vernier scale 0. Here vernier 0 is exactly lying between 2.8 and 2.9. So main scale reading is 2.8 and matching division is fourth division. Can you see this fourth division is exactly matching? this fourth division is exactly matching. So 2.8 and 4 is the reading of this breath side. Let me repeat the same for the breath side. Okay, here again observe it. Almost reading remains same. It is 2.8 and 4. 2.8 is main scale and fourth division is matching. Okay, so let me note down the reading in an observation table. Now main scale is 2.8, matching division is 4. The value of the fourth division, that is n into LC, 4 into 0.01, its value is 0.04. Total value is 2.84. Second time and third time it is same, so it is 2.8, 4, 0.04, 84, 2.8, fourth is matching, 0.04, 2.84. The average value, average breadth is 2.84 centimeter. Now let me measure the thickness of the regular bar using vernier calipers. Now place the height side of the cuboid between two jaws of the vernier calipers. Now find out the main scale reading. Main scale reading means location of vernier scale 0, which is lying between 1.9 and 2.0, and find out the matching division. Here matching division is second division, so our reading is 1.9 and second division is matching division. That we note down in observation table. 1.9 is the main scale reading and second is matching. 2 into 0.01, its value is 0.02. Total value is 1.92. Repeat for the second and third time, it was the same. So again I will note down, that is 1.9, 1.9, second is matching, its value 0.02, 0.02. Total value is 1.92 and 1.92. The average of this 1.92, 1.92 and 1.92 is 1.92. Now using this length, breadth and height of the cuboid, let me find the volume of the cuboid. Now let me find the volume of the regular block. The formula for that is volume V is equal to length, breadth and height. Length of the cuboid is 4.11 centimeter. The breadth of the cuboid is now 2.84 and the height of the cuboid is 1.92 centimeter. Multiplying with this, we get the answer is 22.41 cm cube is the volume of the cuboid. Now let me find the density, and as we know the density D is equal to mass upon volume. The mass of the cuboid is given, it is 66 gram. Dividing the volume is 22.41 centimeter cube. On solving, we get the answer 2.945 mass upon volume, that is gram per cm cube is the unit. So in this way, using the vernier calipers, we can find the volume of the cuboid by measuring the length, breadth and height. Here we can complete the experiment. You will note down this reading in your notebook. Okay, students.